This episode of Adventure Tech is brought to you by Tucktec, foldable kayaks made right here in the US. If you're in a hurry and just looking for discounts, use the links in the comments or description, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which is always appreciated. Use code AdventureTech, no space, all caps for an extra special discount just for you. In this video, we're going to be checking out the newest model of Tucktec foldable kayak coming out in 2025, show you all the differences and upgrades, and you can find out how to get one of these early. They are both about the same size and weight with some slight differences here and there. The tail stabilizer is detached in the 2025 edition, and it seems like it has a bit stronger effect as it sits deeper into the water compared to the older model. The way you fold these kayaks is almost exactly the same, but it can be a bit easier on the interior clamps of the newer 2025 version, especially after folding it a few times. It becomes really simple to do. Another difference, the seats. They're pretty similar, but the new model has additional stabilizer bar system that clamps into the fully assembled kayak behind the seat and gives the kayak hull a little extra strength as well. I also see they added an additional stabilizer ring in the new 2025 version. With most of the changes being right here around the seat area, you can see it has really tightened up everything around the seat. The ends of the kayak are the other big difference and improvement in my opinion. Previously there were some slip loops, but they have been replaced with Velcro, making it a sure thing that these do not come disconnected. Really good improvement in my opinion. I was able to easily fit 2 of these in the back of my Forerunner, and I feel like I could have fit about 10 of these to be honest. These are really cool kayaks. The new model is an improvement on an already really great design. I haven't had any issues with these so far. If you have any questions about these, leave a comment and I'll reach out to the company if needed to get you the best answer. Really great people, made right here in the US. I hope the video helped you out deciding on which model is best for you. Use the links and discount code in the comments or description to get a good deal on this and help put a little bit of food in my fridge at the same time. Subscribe for free by clicking the subscribe button, and most important, click the bell icon so you can be one of the first people to know about the best deals and newest tech.